What happened? You don't have permission to access this information. Okay. So this user does not have the access for data loading. Make sure that you are an implementation user. That is not there. It looks like. Yeah. So we'll try to log in. We'll go to security console. Now this user does not have the access to the a role called Human Capital Management Integration Specialist role. It's not there. Let me just go for add the role. What is the role name? Human Capital Management. Human Capital Management Integration Specialist. Let's go for add this role so that user can go for access the data conversion, data exchange options. So when we are getting this type of error, you don't have permission to access this information. Contact your help desk and all. So we need to cross check this role. Now we have added this one. Let's go for save and close. And now we are trying to log out and log into the application. Let me just log out from here. Now log into the applications here. Go to setup and maintenance here. Now we can go with any workforce structure object like job or position or we will find almost master data can be uploaded by using spreadsheet, but not worker data. Worker data cannot be done. Let me close this. And let me close this one also. Now manage in spreadsheet. Let me open this file, spreadsheet. And now we are connecting from here. Let's enter the credentials here, whatever we use it for Fusion applications. We use this. Oh, the ADF Desktop Integrator is a software which will support for spreadsheet data loading that we can use here. Okay, so it's showing some client version, server version is not matching. Not a problem. It's okay. Let's go for skip it. When we try to load the data into the applications, first what we have to do is we need to create a data set. Okay, so let's go for create data set. Earlier, it was showing the error message, right? What we have seen, that error message. Now it's done. System is asking us creating a new data set will cause all unsaved changes. Not a problem. Now data set is created successfully. So whenever you are working with spreadsheet data loader, if you get some error message like this, you don't have the permission and all it is, then cross check the role here. In fact, if you do not have the access to security console, you can verify that whether you have the permission to work with the data migrations. You can go to my client groups. There is option data exchange. This option you will be getting because of the role called Human Capital Management Integration Specialist role here. Okay, so now we can find here HCM data loader. HCM spreadsheet data loader. You got the permission to work with spreadsheet data loader. Here it is. Okay. Fine. Now we can enter the data here. But before we use spreadsheet data loader, make sure that you should have an idea about the object. Right now, which object we are working? Job family. What we are getting here, support. You can create records, and you can also go for update the records here. And then, of course, it's one of the business object, job family. And this is the data set name. After we enter the data, it will be stored in the database here. And then job family code, I'm specifying that here, KPIT finance job family. Okay. And then status is active. Action reason code if required, we can provide, otherwise not mandatory. You can, if you have double star here, there will be some list of values. You can do double click option. Then you will be able to find. A very rare case, this type of issues will be getting due to our Excel sheet issues. Not a problem. We don't need to worry about that. We don't have any action reasons. Let's go for a second line. If we want to go for copy this record and try to paste in the second line, we'll be getting this type of warning messages or error showing that right now your Excel sheet is protected. You are supposed to go for unprotect for copy the information. Where we do that, we'll do it from the tab review. There is option unprotect sheet. Yeah, that's I'm just maintaining another one. Let me take this from different year. Okay. And now we will go for upload this data. Go to the tab spreadsheet data loader and go for more option. There is save. We can save it and later we can use the spreadsheet, not a problem. This is for upload the data and this is for rollback. Let's go for upload it. Now what system is showing is here, it's asking us on failure contains to upload subsequent rows. In case if we are using multiple rows, in case if any of the row has got failed, do you want to continue or not? After loading, do you want to download all the rows or not? That we can check this checkbox. Right now, I do not want any of the unsuccessful upload. Records downloading, I don't want. It's been imported. I can find that from here. Recent spreadsheet loads. What's the navigation here? We have to use go to navigator and then we will go with my client groups. Then we are going to have data exchange here. And then we'll be working for recent spreadsheet loads. This is what the data set name we created. It takes generally the object name, hash, keyword, and then the date and time. Now it's still working. It's in progress. Let me refresh. Takes a couple of minutes time. Now we can find this upload has done successfully. Okay. Let's see those 100% records loaded successfully. We do not have any failed spreadsheet rows here. Those records we can find from here. Let's go to front end FSM setup and maintenance here. Now let's go to task here, job. Manage job families. We are searching for this KPID. I could see that 2 records are, whatever we have done. And second record effective start date is from 2019. And we can find first record is from 1999, it seems. Yeah, and we can find the history information here. The record is created. We can find all attributes, columns, information. So this is, of course, if you want to export this data, can be exported here from this option. So this is how we can work with spreadsheet data loader. But spreadsheet data loader, we cannot use it for worker data loading, because in human capital management, data migration major challenge comes with worker only. So worker loading cannot be done from here. It won't support. We must use the HCM data loader. So spreadsheet data loader is not that much complex here. It's a very simple tool provided by Oracle for data migration. And it can be used by either functional or technical consultant. Even the end users also. Sometimes if they says that they wanted to export the data, can be just fill the data and go for upload it. Okay. So in the interviews, if they ask you, have you used any time spreadsheet data loader? You can say that, yeah, I have worked with spreadsheet, couple of objects like jobs or positions. That's not more than that. We use spreadsheet data loader. Okay. Or working with the talent management, goal management module, uploading the goals also, we have a different spreadsheet data loader. So there they'll, because these all are setups. Maybe client may not be using this spreadsheet for this. If the client wants to go for use something like working with the goals or any other things, if there is any spreadsheet option is there, they can go for work with the spreadsheet data loader or HCM data loader. Thank you.